Holy crap, that was loud. Okay, so in the UK, we're having some thunderstorms at the moment, and I think something just hit right outside my house. Going over to like all the metal objects in my garden now, because that was so loud, it must have been right outside. That's looking all right. So's that. Welcome to a new video. How's it going, guys? Will here. Welcome back to another video, and today I just wanted to make a quick vlog, or maybe it's not going to be quick. It's so dark. Today I wanted to make a light and breezy vlog about the future of this channel. Hold on. That looks good. Okay. So, the frequent viewers of this channel may have noticed a significant change in my videos recently. I've gone more away from experimenting with tutorials and cinematography to a more dedicated tech channel, which I honestly think is a turn for the better. Not saying I don't enjoy making cinematography videos or tutorials, I do enjoy that, but I just think tech, it's just something I'm more passionate about. And from the responses that you guys give to these tech videos, I certainly think that you guys seem to prefer them too. Hold on, my lunch is ready. I'll get back to this in a minute. Wooden chopping board, essential for all your chopping needs. These things do stink after a while. That's not good vlog content, that's just grotty. I really want to be making the best videos I can, so I think tech is definitely the best way that I can do it. I'll certainly still be doing my cinematography through these tech videos. Nothing is changing on that. But I'm pretty much just going to stop doing tutorials now, as I don't really like making them. And you guys seem to enjoy my tech videos more anyway, so everybody wins. Now, something that I've really been enjoying recently is my new setup for recording videos. So, very similar to before. We actually have the same light, the same tripod, but I have this new gorgeous backdrop. Hold on. Just gonna... There we go. Oh, what have we got? Oh, I already have a love disc. Hope you guys enjoyed that new little set tour. I am loving it so far. I have had a few problems with it. I mean, it's in my living room, so I can only ever record when people are out. Otherwise, my brother's walking through, like, just walking through, trying to get some jaffas, and I'm trying to make a video. In fact, in the spirit of the new videos, let's review the new set. First of all, we have build quality. Now, the chair is much nicer to sit in than this one. Unfortunately, it's slightly tilted backwards, so you're like, whenever you want to make a video, which is kind of difficult, but I usually sit on the edge of my seat anyway, so it isn't really a problem. Next up is ergonomics. It's honestly way easier to record in that location than it is in here. This is a fairly small space. In my new set, I have a ton of space for lighting, tripods, cameras, all that good stuff, so it's just a lot less cramped whenever I'm making videos in there. Finally, let's talk quality. I honestly think the videos that I've made in there have looked so much better than the videos I've made in here, mainly because of this disgusting orange wall. It's horrible. I really want to get rid of it. I think I'm definitely going to do that soon. If I want to be making videos in here again, this has got to go. I'm actually going to strip the wallpaper off, because if you've noticed, it's like a wood chip wallpaper, which just looks terrible on videos. The shadows that this light casts, despite how soft it is, just adjusted the white balance. Sorry about that. The lighting control in that room is significantly better than in here. Even with those curtains, I can just close them and get like a really nice blue hue behind me. I've also got that nice lamp behind me. Now, I have got this Pixar light here. I do love it, but there's just something a little bit more warm about the new set despite the blue walls. And yeah, overall, very pleased with it. Would very much recommend. Speaking of, I got sent this gaming headset the other day from Empower, I think it was. And it's the first gaming headset I've tested in a very long time, which is why I'm brushing up on my games. Pokemon's actually the only... Wow, that was a voice crack. Pokemon's probably one of the only games that I've been playing at the moment. I did reinstall Minecraft the other day, and I had a little bit of fun in that. Thank you, Colin, for reminding me that it existed. Gotta say, first impressions on this thing, it's actually very comfortable. One of my favorite things about it, though, I can't really show it here because this light's so bright, but look, it glows. At the time I was buying gaming headsets, it wasn't really around the time when they were making glowing headsets. I was around when we had the classics like the Razer Krakens, that one with the T. I don't remember what it's called, but it was good. But yeah, it's way too hot to be going outside for any long period today, so yeah, I'm gonna be using this. I should really buy a Switch. All my friends have Nintendo Switches and I'm just still using this. Right, I'm putting this away. I'm not gonna be touching it for at least a few hours. Let's go outside and shoot something. I'm gonna be taking you guys with me to a lovely seaside town called Barmouth, and we're just gonna have a fun, chill day, maybe fly the drone. Actually, I'm gonna show you guys where I get the clips for my outro. But first of all, I just noticed something and I wanted to ask this question. Do any of you make makeshift headphone stands like I do? For example, if we take this headset I was just talking to you guys about, I will occasionally just stick it somewhere like that, and then there, I have a headphone stand. I've found it's just more resourceful, more convenient, and cheaper than having an actual headphone stand. Okay, let's go. Behind me is one of the best waterfalls in North Wales. I forgot the cable, so I can't fly my drone. It's through those trees, you can't really see it. Just up the road from here is actually where I shot most of the drone footage for my outro. And I've always wanted to bring my drone here, but I forgot the cable. How did I forget my drone cable? I've decided I'm gonna go into the town and then see if I can track down an Apple charger. If so, then I'll be back here. Right, so if that little sequence didn't make it quite clear, I'm here now. Need to find that charger. I think it's just down here actually where you get to like the cheapo shops. All I need is an iPhone cable. Okay, I don't remember whether it was this way or this way. I think it's this way. This is certainly the type of shop that we need. So here's a list of appliances they did have: waffle iron, deep fryer, RGB bulb. What they didn't have is what I need. They had an RGB bulb and a deep fryer. Time to go elsewhere. All right, I don't have time now. I gotta get back, so I'll look later. I'm regretting the black jeans. How hot is it? We're nearly there now, I think. Yeah, there's the place with the Japanese knotweed, isn't it? Right, so I'm somewhere now. I've just walked across a seawall. There's some salt plains behind me. Look at that. I have no idea how far I've walked, but it certainly hasn't got cooler. Oh, okay. To the side. This is nice. There we go. That's probably overexposed. Seagull.
You wouldn't want to jump into that.
No, definitely
Break your
not.
legs.
Thank you. That was nice. Yeah. It's been a while since I've been on that. Guys, we've just seen something disgusting. Funny fat non-yellow homo. Why is he red? Why is he red? Is that copyright infringement? Yes. That's what I need. Yeah, those smoothies. I need one. I need one. Yep. Definitely the best. That is incredible. And it matches my hat. Maybe it's because I've just walked like 6 miles, but oh, it's so good. Highly recommended. If you come to Barmouth, go to the Tiki Hut and get the mango smoothie. Alright, I really got to end it here, but in the next few days there will be a brand new iPhone review. Even on hot days, the The hair just does not behave. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Remember to like the video. If you want to see more content like this, then smash that subscribe button. I'm done, and I will see you guys in the next one. Hopefully when it's cooler.
Rolled up in that big truck with them guns up for them fuck boys. Smoked out in that Rolls Royce, blowing dope with that bad broad. Shawty know what I got, cash, I'm throw it all if she want that. Every time you see me out, I blow trees out my blunt fat, cause I'm rich. Dumping the clip on a bitch, they hold her smoking, I exit the switch. Step to the mic, I live in the spit. She steady working it, twerk on the dick. I'm with the shit and I get it.